The Renegade was created by Jalaiah Harmon, and she created something awesome and something fun. In this tutorial, I'm going to take my time. I'm going to show you all the steps, all the details, so that you really understand the dance. So if you want to go slow and take your time, this is the tutorial for you. The Renegade is all about rhythm. So we're going to focus on that. If you make mistakes or if it's sloppy, that's okay, as long as you get the rhythm. Yeah, if you feel like you have no rhythm, you might want to pay close attention, and it might be more of a challenge, but I feel confident enough that I can teach you the Renegade. Make sure to subscribe if you feel like I helped you out, okay? So get ready for a bit of a challenge. Let's get started. I want you to pay attention to my timing and the sounds that I make. Try to copy it as much as you can, because this is going to help you out, all right? I feel that this is the method to teach you this, because the dance is purely based on timing. So first, we're going to start with a whoa, yeah? Boom. So the first one that she does, she pulls her hand away from her shoulder. And when you have that beat, that boom, yeah? Boom. So that whoa, you take it on that boom, yeah? Boom. So if this is hard, you can always do this. Boom, just your hands. Yeah, that's actually not a real whoa, because the real whoa has a different shape, but you can just do whatever you want. That's what they said, the creators. So if the shoulder part is hard, just do this, yeah? So you have boom, yeah? So you pull away. So I'm gonna count it in, 5, 6, 7, 8, and on the 1, we're going to pull, yeah? So we got 5, 6, 7, 8, boom. 5, 6, 7, 8, boom. And as you can see, my hand goes in and then you go make a whoa, yeah? So that means actually you got 5, 6, 7, 8, and 1. But I don't count that because it's just too much, yeah? But on that 1, it needs to be pulled. So the bass is here and not here, yeah? So when we have 5, 6, 7, 8, boom, yeah? 1. Let's do that again. 5, 6, 7, 8, 1. 5, 6, 7, 8, 1. 5, 6, 7, 8, boom. Yeah? So we have boom, and like I said, listen to my timing. Boom, 5, 6, 7, 8, boom, 5, 6, 7, 8, boom. So you just show your hands 2 times. Yeah? Boom. Let's do it again. 5, 6, 7, 8, boom. 5, 6, 7, 8, boom, clap. 5, 6, 7, 8, boom, clap. 5, 6, 7, 8, boom, clap. Yeah? So let's do that again. 5, 6, 7, 8, boom, clap. So I hope you're trying to do that boom, clap, boom, clap. Just to give you an example, because you got boom, clap, pa, pa, ah, doom, doom, wait. See, so that's how you're going to remember the dance. That's how I remember it. So that's why I'm teaching it to you in this way. So we have boom, clap, whip, whip. You don't have to say whip, whip, but I go. So when we have boom, clap, or if you want to say whip, whip, you can, yeah? So let's do it again. So we have boom, clap, whip, whip. 5, 6, 7, 8, boom, clap, whip, whip. 5, 6, 7, 8, boom, clap, whip, whip. 5, 6, 7, 8, boom, clap, whip, whip. So after that whip, whip, you have a wave, yeah? They don't do that wave like really detailed. They just go like make it very like a little bit sloppy. So that's okay if that's the dance. So you have a wave, and then your arms come in. So that's like how do you call it? I don't know how you call this, but you just bring your arms in, like you want to wave in, wave out. Yeah. So you have a wave, wave. To check if my sound is good. Sorry. So we have wave, wave. Yeah. So listen to the rhythm. We got boom, clap, whip, whip, wave, 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 wave. And it's like wave, 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 boom, boom. Yeah? So we got wave, wave, fist, fist. Yeah? Wave, wave, boom, boom. And I just say wave, wave 2 times because it's easier, because it's just the same word, yeah? So we have wave, wave, boom, boom. So when you have wave, see how it goes into each other? Yeah? Wave, wave, boom, boom. Yeah? So let's do it from the beginning. So we got boom, clap, wave, wave, boom, boom. Again, 5, 6, 7, 8, boom, clap, whip, whip, boom, boom, clap. So see how I made a different sound? Still rhythm, the rhythm is still pretty much the same. So if your sounds are different, it's okay, as long as the timing is properly. Yeah, rhythm and sounds. So again, 5, 6, 7, 8, boom, clap, wave, wave, boom, boom, wave, wave, boom, boom, clap, clap, wait, clap, clap, wait, clap, clap, wait, boom, boom, clap, wait, boom, boom, clap, clap, wait. So you clap, you're right in front, touch your elbows. If this happens, it's okay if it switches, but you have clap, clap, wait. Yeah? So let's do that again. So we have boom, clap, wave, wave, boom, boom, clap and wait. Clap, clap, wait. And I say clap and wait. It's just the same. Clap, clap, wait, clap and wait. Yes? Let's do it again. 5, 6, 7, 8, boom, clap, wave, wave, boom, boom, clap and wait. And then you're gonna get that renegade, renegade. So see how the sounds that I make kind of sound like the beat. That's what we do with the sound, with our sound. We sing along with the beat. So your sound is going to fit in the beat, so that you pretty much sing together, dance together with the beat. Yeah, and that's how you get that unity. Yeah, because what she does, she goes from boom to the those sounds, and then you get to the renegade. So it's different levels. Yeah. So let's do it again. 5, 6, 7, 8. Boom, clap, wave, wave, boom, boom, clap and wait. Almost messed up there. Clap and wait. That's the first section, because after that we're gonna get another a whoa. But this whoa is different, because instead of this, she goes boom. Yeah, boom, boom. So what she does is the same on that beat. That shoulder gets pulled back. So most of the time you see this whoa, yeah, or you see this whoa, yeah, or you see this whoa, or you see this whoa. So she pulls it. It's a different way of doing things. Oh, to check if my sound is still good. Yes, so we have the whoa, right? So she pulls it, boom, to the back, the shoulders, boom, clap, boom, clap. So it's a different type of whoa, yeah? So this is the one we're going to see a lot during the rest of the routine. Just the first one is different. This one, she just does it with her shoulders back. And this one might be difficult. So if you're like, oh, this is too hard, just swing your arm. Swing it. I want you to do the correct one, but if it's like, oh man, it's too much, for my body right now, just go like this, boom. Because other people just whip, yeah? But she just pops that shoulder back, boom, clap. So this is on the renegade, renegade, yeah? So this is where the second part of it starts. So we have boom, clap, and front, left. So you pull to the front, and your head goes first, and then your body. Yeah, it's not all the way, but you're gonna go whoop, whoop, tick. So when we have boom, clap, whoop, whoop, clap. Hear that? So we have boom, clap, whoop, whoop. Yeah. So let's start from the beginning. So not the beginning, but second part. So we have boom, clap, whoop, whoop, clap. You can see that renegade, 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 ka. Yeah? So let's do it again. 5, 6, 7, 8. Renegade, renegade, renegade. So what I do here, I just snap my fingers, and I just like I throw something away. So I go whoop, whoop, throw away. Whoop, whoop, throw away. And what I do is kind of have myself go with a little bit of a speed up, slow down to make it more whoo, whoo. Yeah, instead of just going like this, you can, but I go give a little bit of a whoop, whoop. And what she does when she pulls away, she just gives it a little bit of extra ooh and whoop, ooh. Yeah, whoop. Like this arm just goes like this, yeah? But then again, you can just always do your own thing, yeah? So let's do it from the beginning, the totally beginning, yeah? This one. Boom, tss, tss, yeah? 5, 6, 7, 8, boom, tss, tss, clap, tss, tss, wave, wave, boom, boom, clap, and wave. Renegade, 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 clap. And then after this, I have to teach this because when we do this, there's this talk to the hand thing, pop, hoop. Yeah, so when we have the renegade, 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 then we're going to get into this part. Yeah, so when we have renegade, 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 boom. I think it's on go, but we'll probably hear it in the music. I think it's like go. So see how I make those rhythms? They help me out a lot. That's what I do when I dance. Yeah. So when we have boom, ka, whoop, whoop, boom. Yeah. So we have renegade, 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 go, boom. Yeah. You can just put everything in something else on the timing, but as long as the timing is right, the sounds don't matter. Yeah. So 5, 6, 7, 8, renegade, 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 go, boom. So when we have this here, and see how it goes from boom, pa, and let's do that. 5, 6, 7, 8, boom, ha, and boom. 5, 6, 7, 8, boom, ha, boom, ha, boom. 5, 6, 7, 8, boom, ha, boom, ha, boom. 5, 6, 7, 8, boom, ha, boom, ha, boom. So let's do it from renegade, 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 ha, ha, boom. 5, 6, 7, 8, renegade, renegade, boom, ha, go, boom. So after this, you're going to go boom, ha. You have boom, ha, ha. Boom, ha, ha. And she goes from here, stand straight forward. I'm standing like this a bit so you guys can see, but it's like pretty much standing straight. Yeah, so you have boom. So this is more off, here, ha, and ha. So you got your hips, across your chest, and over your head. And there's a little bit of a roll to it. It's not that fast. You go ka, ha, ah. So also something what she does, there's this bit of a bounce that she does. It is, for me, it's natural to do it, but if it's a challenge, you can just focus on the arms, yeah? But I want you to go so it's more up. So try to copy it. It's just to try to explain it in short. You have up, you have down, so you can go down, but we go up, Yeah, so try to feel it out, but it's not obligated yet. Later, you can just put that in because that's an extra level to it. Yeah? So we have boom, renegade, renegade, here, boom, ha, shoom, and ha. So what happens? Your hip, chest over your head, and yeah, it's like you're running. Yeah, run, and so it's like a dab, pretty much. Dab, yeah, dab. So let's do it from this renegade, yeah, from renegade. 5, 6, 7, 8, renegade, 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 go, boom, ha, boom, and ha. And see how I delayed it? Sh, ka. Yeah? So let's do it from the beginning. 5, 6, 7, 8, boom. Tss, tss, clap, wave, wave, boom, boom, clap, and wait. Renegade, renegade, renegade. Ka, go, boom, ka, and ch. Yes? One more time. 5, 6, 7, 8, boom, clap, wait, wait, boom, boom, clap, and wait. Renegade, 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 and boom, ka, sh, Yeah? So this is the second part. So now for part 3. So we had and, yeah, so when you have the dab, you're going to get another one of these, yeah, another whoa, yeah, boom, you're going to go around, yeah, so you have like a whoo, yeah, so you have boom, whoo, and there's time for this, it's not that fast, boom, whoo, it's like the gangster walk, yeah, so you're going to pretty much put your head inside your arm, yeah? Yeah, so when you do the gangster walk, pretty much you're actually supposed to go down, yeah? But there's like a, and see how it pretty much really flows into it? It's not like this, but it's like a here, here, yeah? So when we have the whoa, whoo, ha, and she also does like a little bit of a walk to it, but you don't have to because, you know, it's a bit of an extra challenge. Ha, ha. So start out getting the timing. After that, you can make it extra. Yeah? So let's do it again. 5, 6, 7, 8. Boom. Woo. Yeah? So when you have that boom, woo. And also make sure your legs are not too wide. Yeah? Make sure they're close enough so you can do that. Ha, ha. Yeah? So, we've done this. Boom, whoo, ha, ha. And the way to describe what she does, there's this bit of a walk that she does, like a boom, whoo, ha, ha. So it's like marching. This is the way you can remember it. Yeah? Because after that, we're going to go boom, boom. There's this bounce. So this might help to do. Just going from like walking pretty much, yeah? So we continue. So we have boom, whoo, and boom, 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 boom. This I just did. All right, so let's do it from the beginning. 5, 6, 7, 8, boom, clap, whip, whip, wave, wave, boom, boom, clap, and wave. Renegade, 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 ka, go, boom, go, and ka, and boom, whoo, and boom, 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 boom. Let's do it a little faster. 5, 6, 7, 8, boom, clap, wave, wave, boom, boom, clap, and wave. Renegade, 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 go, boom, boom, ka, and ha, and boom, woo, and boom, 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 boom,